Can you just get this done? A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches? That's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now. Look where you're going. Go on!
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owner's a nasty type by all accounts. Seamus is sure scared of him.
That's not saying much.
Something strange about the place. Used to be a saloon there, general store. Now it's all closed up, but they seem to have money.
Sounds worth a look around.
For sure. Seamus also mentioned the rancher's daughter a couple of times. How he used to see her around all the time, but now she never leaves the house. Probably just sweet on her.
That what you call finding out a little?
Once he opens up, seems Seamus does like to talk.
Hopefully not too much.
That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
You see anyone?
Nope. Okay. I reckon we could do it now. Sneak in, I'll get the coach. You can try the house. Or wait until morning when I'll head over, distract them by putting on a little show, while you sneak into the house, find what you can, and then get the stagecoach. What do you think?
Let's wait.
Okay. Let's get on with this, Mr. Morgan.
Yes.
Let me head up there and make a fool of myself.
With pleasure.
Just don't get caught. Because it's me they'll shoot first. Wait until I have them distracted outside, then sneak into the house. No, not the front. Go around the back.
What the hell you doing on our property? Goddamn bitch! You think you can run?
I told you to stay hidden, Arthur. Let's get the stagecoach. We need to leave now. Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up. Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. He might not know the situation here. Damn it, he's going for the law. Do something. Hey, slow it down. You have to stop them. Use your talents, Arthur.
Yep.
Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up.
Yeah.
Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. He might not know the situation here.
This? I got this. Deal with this.
No! Don't kill me!
God damn it, you crazy son of a bitch. Well, I guess you can't tell the law now. Okay, let's get going.
Yeah.
We could have done this without killing anyone. Slow it down a bit.
It worked out. We got everything we needed.
That's not the point. It might not have... What if there were more people around we didn't know about?
We'd have dealt with them too.
All right, fine, it's done now. Let's just get back to Emerald Ranch and turn this in.
Yeah. This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
It wasn't the first time Mr. Matthews had stared death in the eye. And as usual, he did not flinch. Slow down, you'll burn out the horses.
Yeah, exactly. So how long you think we're gonna stick around here for?
Not sure. Till we can't, I suppose. Feels like we're starting to get back on our feet, slowly but surely. Just need to keep at it. Dutch has a new money chest stashed in a safe spot away from camp, but it's a long way from being full.
I hope it's not stashed in town like we did in Blackwater.
Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
If you find any other coaches that need selling, I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Sure.
Easy. How's it going?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sure Pearson can make you something out of that.
Hey, if you could give me some leather working tools, I can make some rugs and blankets and the like out of these hides you're bringing in.
Okay, leave it with me.
In town. Made us some money.
You always do.
Yes, I'm good at that.
I messed up in Blackwater. goddamn fool out of myself.
You done that before.
I know.
You'll get us out of this.
We are out of this. We need to keep out of it.
So what do you think?
We need to make some money and find ourselves an escape route.
Keep my eye out for some good material.
Or making money. And we will find an escape. We are gonna
Just
be
make
open.
sure it goes into the pot, not your pocket.
We'll get some big money and get lost.
Many thanks, Mr. Morgan. Morning.
Mr. Morgan,
Thanks for all your efforts.
you're very welcome.
Hey, I think my back needs some working over.
Well, lie down and I'll get cracking.
Room here by the fire if you want.
Miss Roberts. John behaving himself?
I suppose. Why?
Just checking. Didn't mean nothing by it.
All right then, Arthur.
Monkey boy? Who are you calling monkey boy?
Yep.
I'm not no monkey boy.
Arthur,
Miss Karen, how you getting on?
fine so far.
Me too. Who you calling monkey boy? Me too. What? Why would you say such a thing? It's not nice. Big old deer. Wait. Is that what it... Is all I gotta do is walk here? Oh yeah, it is. It's fucking stupid. Okay. Receive. What's bed? Okay, so I don't even need this. Okay. This long-haired greaseball.
That's my boy.
Hmm.
I don't care what you feel, girl. Get ready.
Yes or no? Chops or no chops? What do you think, Taylor? Chops? No chops. Chops? No chops. Up to you, Taylor. I'll just leave it. Coughing so much, he'll drop kick your fucking throat.
You busy, Arthur?
Hey, Arthur. What do you want? Uncle told me something about a train.
Okay. My
What did
speaker
he say?
just fell.
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border. Yes. You need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
Nah, I ain't thought it through. You know, stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure. But what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable. Oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they
I
either have to
remember
stop
doing
or
this,
die.
or seeing
No
it.
train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. That is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent. Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this? I really don't want to talk to him right now, so let's just go do that.
Hello?
What do you want?
Hey, Dutch.
Okay, so we got, what, 2 wagons? I can probably get to both. Pretty sure.
Boy.
Good boy. Oh, he's going too. Never mind. He's just chasing out.
Hosea, how are you?
That horse of yours is looking good.
It's fucking gay.
Yep. Yeah, okay, boy.
Okay, which one are we gonna go to? Should we go to this one? Or should we go... Yeah. What? Oh. Which one? Which one? Right or left? Let's do left. Oh wait, that's Valentine. I'm gonna get my shit rocked. Whatever, let's just do it. Come on, horsey. It's a big old deer. Bum 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 bum. Your blood is mine. Bum bum bum. Up in a bum. Bum bum bum. See society, see me home. I'm bad. I'm bad. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Nope. Not for no homeless man, I don't. Okay. Should be easy enough. Right?
Hey, feller. Hey there.
Let's wait for this guy to go by. And I'll stab this guy. And I'm just taking that with me. Stole that shit. You know what I'm gonna do? That's what's gonna happen. I just told it right in your face. But I'm gonna stab you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't worry about it. You'll be dead in a second. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. We gotta go now. Where am I going? There's no yellow dot. I mean, there's the yellow dot, but there's no yellow line. So I got no idea where I'm going. Somebody help. Just assuming that I'm going down here. Or see, if you get ran over by this, I can't save you. So you better hold on. Come on, Percy. Stop whining so much. Watch out before you get ran over. Who's bad? Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Destination. It's your final one. Okay. Horse, if you get slammed by this, I cannot save you, so be careful. Yeah. Slow it down. That's a nice horse.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Wait, was that it? I didn't... Wait, didn't I have to do two? Guess not. Wasn't there one... like here? There's Valentine and the... Oh no, maybe I'm just fucking stupid. What's this? Okay, John Morstan. Let's go here. I just put a waypoint, but yeah, okay, if you don't want to work, that's fine. Okay, I'll see you whenever I get there. Help you out with what? What do you need help with?
I've been on the run for days now. If you could help me with these shackles, I just might have a chance. Hey, whoa, wait a minute now. Just focus on the shackles. That's all, please.
Enough?
Oh, yes. Yes. Perfect. Ah, thank you.
You're a robber.
Let's go, boy.
He escaped. Maybe I should have let him go, but whatever. I didn't like him. He looked like a pedo. So I shot him. You can take a deep breath through his skull. Rashiki. Where did I hear Rashiki from? Whoa, look at these horses. Just in case. Oh, look at this guy.
Hey, stop! Hey, wait, where are you going? Oh, no, wait.
You're really out of breath? Long go. You can't be out of breath.
Hey, come back. No, no, stay here. Whoa, whoa, wait. Hey, wait, where are you going? Hey, stop. Hey, come back. Whoa, whoa, wait. Yeah.
Come here, horsey.
No, wait. Hey, wait, where are you going? Hey, come back. Whoa, whoa, wait. Oh, no, wait. Hey, stop. Hey, come back. Oh, no, stay here.
I'm gonna shoot this horse right in his head if he doesn't slow down.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, wait. There we go. Just take it easy. There. We're easy now. Go easy. Come on now, easy. Easy, easy.
This horse doesn't come here. Where'd he go? Oh, it's over here. Come here, little horse. Or I shoot you in your head again.
You'll be alright. Easy. Hey, hey, easy. Whoa now. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna kill this horse. I'm gonna shoot him. Come here.
Yep.
Come here, horsey. Come here, horsey.
It's all.
Stupid fucking horse. Come here. Come here. Didn't want to listen to me? Making me waste all my rope. You're fucking nothing now. You're dead. Listen next time. Come here, horsey. This horse listens. You don't listen for shit.
Boy,
Oh,
you're
ah.
okay. Yeah.
Help! Hey, shut up. Get out of here. Act like you never saw this.
Hey, isn't...
God damn. I didn't know that there was two.
Mister, I don't hardly know what to say. Thanks, I guess. You done me a service. Hey, look. The stage company's gonna write this off as a robbery anyway. If you can get in that lockbox, you can take what you want from it. It ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
So I've been told.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Coming in.
Welcome back.
What's this?
John?
Hello, John.
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Is that really all? Oh, that's... I don't know who that is. Charles.
Hey, Arthur. Come
What?
here a minute.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hold on. Sorry. I had chicken. So I just took a couple bites out of it. It's pretty good.
Can't complain.
Mm-hmm. Where's Jack at? Oh, there he is.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
I'll mount up and lift you on when you're ready. All right. Let's go then.
Where are we going?
Just
To a
down
pond.
to the river near here. You shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? I know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
So, just like you.
I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. Well, your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. It's been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
All right. This looks as good a spot as any.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
Just by the water there? You mean?
Yeah.
I can't wait to get started. You show me where, Uncle Arthur.
Oh.
First, we need some bait. I'm gonna use some cheese.
Cheese?
Smellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
I think you've got a bite. Look!
Fish on the line.
I see! I see!
Look at that. Is that a bluegill? Mm-hmm.
Jack, it's a bluegill.
Yeah, I was right.
As small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay.
Pause. Oh, no, don't take it
I'm gonna
off.
pick some of those red flowers. I'll be
Okay.
right back.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see what's biting there. Whoop, think I got one. See him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to
That's a little
reel him in.
one. So what is that?
This one's a chain picker. Not bad.
What's Jack doing?
I know.
Whoa, look
Boring
at
as
that.
hell. But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit and wait. And try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Huh. Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphan street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn, and you have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not play the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Mac Callender?
Who's that?
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely. All of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting late, Jack. Your mother will be worried. Let's head back.
Well, that was fun. Fishing. Fishing's fun. I like fishing. Fishing's so good.
Uncle Dutch is.
Because those are disagreeable men. And I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us. Protect you from folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Well, that was part 11. I think it was part 11. Maybe it was part 10, but we'll see at part 12 or whatever. Bye bye.